Hi guys, welcome back to Sue's All-in-One channel. So as you can see in the background, I am in a very happening place right now. I am in Commercial Street shopping for a Christmas tree for my daughter. I'm so super excited. So I thought I'll show you guys too. Most of you would want to know where you get very nice Christmas trees in Bangalore. So they also have Christmas trees available in different sizes like 4 feet, 5 feet and bigger ones also. Very nice thing here is they have very cute show pieces like this, which are really cute. So come now, let me shop some for myself and I'll show you guys too what all are here. Ravi's Evergreen Brighton Christmas Store is a very popular Christmas decor shop. Christmas-loving Bangaloreans would definitely fall in love with this place because you can grab the top-notch products here. You will find it hard not to fall in love with their stockings with red-nosed reindeer and cherry Santas, or their skillfully crafted angels and their snowflake ornaments. Here you can buy everything from candles to buntings, glitter-covered stars, Santa Claus figurines and most importantly, fantastic-looking Christmas trees. We also got an opportunity to have a word with the sales manager at the Brighton Christmas store. So here's what he said.
Hi, so my name is Roy. I'm the sales manager of Ravi's Evergreen Brighton Christmas store in Bangalore. Our store is in Chennai, Goa, Pune, Bombay, and as you all know, it's already there in Bangalore. Our items are all imported from other countries such as China, Taiwan, Indonesia, France, Korea, and Switzerland also. So there are a variety of accessories that are available in our stores, more than 300 to 500 varieties of accessories and trees. You can see a lot of other trees varieties from around like 7 to 8 varieties of trees available with us. So this year we have fiber optic trees, we have trees from Norway, that's Norway's Pros. So basically we import spruce model, we import pine model and we import Douglas model. Along with that we import fiber optic trees also.
So guys, I'm done with my shopping. I got whatever I wanted, for the tree decoration. I got the perfect tree I wanted, and the shop is very nice. The prices are very reasonable. They also have some seasonal discount also going on now. You can definitely visit this shop in Commercial Street. It is just above the Woody's restaurant. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have liked this video, please do share and like the video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great shopping.